Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the ZTE Blade A36 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then tap on date and time. And here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, turn off all of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date and change it just by swiping the day, month, and a year, and then tap on OK. Same with time, just tap on it and by swiping change it to the desired one. Tap on OK. Here the time zone, just tap on the time zone, tap on region, and here we've got the full list of available ones from which we can choose, so find yours and then tap on it. It will be immediately applied. Here the time format, so either you can use local default, which is more or less automatic, or you can manually decide, so turn off this option, and now we are using the 24-hour format. If you wish to use the 12-hour one, just tap on the switcher here. So this is how it works, and if you wish to go to previous settings, so the automatic options, just tap on those switchers right here. And of course turn on the location to do that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.